Are you thinking about setting up a booking page for your beauty salon business? In this video, we will take a look at some of the software that you can use to create your own website and start accepting reservations today. Let's start with SimplyBook.me. You can sign up and set up your account in a matter of a few minutes. This will create a beautiful customizable booking page so you can start accepting bookings right away. Then you can explore the numerous custom features to tailor the system to suit your needs. We can suggest using accept payments and deposits, client mobile app, coupons and gift cards, loyalty system, and products and add-ons to boot. Once you've chosen your custom features, you can choose the pricing plan that suits you. Next, you can use the free design tool, Canva, to create and share professional designs with ease. You can create images for your booking page and marketing materials for your social media. Next up, consider using a link in bio tool like Linktree. It will allow you to neatly organize all your external links on one page. You can reference that page on your social media and elsewhere as needed. We can also suggest using Buffer, a social media account manager that lets you schedule posts, track their performance, and engage your audience. Lastly, consider using influencer marketing tools like Awario or BuzzStream to find influencers who can help you reach your target audience. You can find a list of the software mentioned in this video in the description below. If you found this video helpful, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel as well as follow our social media pages below. Thank you for choosing SimplyBook.me.